So let's just talk about object-oriented programming in Python. So the object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm which is based on the concept of object, and the object are basically instances of class. So the object represent real world entities, and the real world entities or object can have attributes or data, and also it can have the methods or functions. So the attributes are the properties or characteristics of that particular object, and the methods are the actions the object can perform. Like an example, suppose we have one watch. Now the watch is one real world entity, so this is one object. So the watch has attributes or data like the brand of the watch, the color of the watch, and also the size of the watch. So these are all the attribute of that object. And also it can have functions like we can display the time, and also we can change the time. So these are the function the watch can perform. And also the object oriented programming is significant because here we use the real world problem modeling. So here we use the real world problems as a virtual object, and the virtual object has its own attributes and methods. So this helps depict the physical situation virtually, and we can work on them programmatically. And also in object oriented programming we have the security, because in a procedural programming we use one global variable, and the variable can be accessible throughout the program, and this can lead to some security issue. So that issue can be fixed with the use of object oriented programming, because here we have different access specifiers, like we can use the public, we can use private, and we can control the visibility and access to data. So this way we can enhance security. So in object oriented programming we have the object, and also we have the class. So the class is basically one blueprint or template for creating this object. So let's now talk about some of the key features of object oriented programming. So first of all we have the encapsulation. So that means basically we can bundle data and method into a single unit, and we can control the access. And secondly we have inheritance. So inheritance means we can reuse and extend existing classes. And thirdly polymorphism. So polymorphism means we can use a single interface for different data types or actions. And fourthly we have abstraction. That means we can hide the complex implementation details, and we can show only the essential features. So these are the key features of object oriented programming. So hope you understand about object oriented programming in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.